darling, welcome back to another video on my channel. For this week's review, we are going to be testing out the Tatti Lashes Très Chic individual clusters. This is not just the clusters though, this is the set that comes with the bonded glue as well as the applicator tweezers. I purchased these on the Tatti Lashes website directly and they arrived within no time at all, so I was very impressed about that. I thought I'd give these a go because my sister's wedding's coming up this week and I want to make sure that my makeup goes as smoothly as possible because there's going to be a lot of pictures taken, especially if I have something to do with it. Before we get into it, make sure if you haven't already that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, as well as follow me on my socials. I've got Instagram, Twitter and a TikTok for all of you guys that are interested. But anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so this is what the box looks like that the items came in. So we're going to go through one by one if I can actually get into the box. First of all, in my order, I have the Tatti Lashes individual Très Chic individual lashes. There are 4 different rows of lashes, each different length. So I've got an 8mm, 10mm, 12mm and 14. This is super useful for building like a natural looking lash because of course all your lashes are not the same length naturally anyway. Inner corner is usually a lot shorter than the outer, and there are 40 lashes in here. Also within this bundle, you've got the Invisi-lash double-ended lash bonding adhesive, and then you also get a set of the curved lash applicators. Hoping that this will be easy enough. Let's take these out of the packet. What? These are so bougie. Hello. How pretty are those? Really, really nice. Hoping that it'll be easy enough to put these on because Lord knows I need help. So all 3 of these items in this bundle cost £18. I don't think that's too bad considering the price of all of these different items bought separately. I'm just literally like loving the way that these look. There also isn't a lash band on these as well. It's like an invisible band, which is even better. Just makes your lashes look even more natural. So jumping straight in, this is what my lashes look like right now, close up. Haven't put any eyeliner or any sort of eye makeup on just purely because I want to see how well these lashes perform. My lashes naturally are quite long, however, they don't really have a curl to them, so I go and have my lashes permed. I'm really hoping that these are super easy to use because I need so much help. There's nothing worse than when you've worked really hard on like a beautiful makeup look and then your lashes just ruin it at the end. So these are the lashes up close. Like I said, there isn't really like a massive lash band underneath. It's completely clear. Also, I like the fact as well they put glue pockets up here to really help you with ease of application rather than putting glue just straight onto them or glue on the back of your hand, on the table. You know what I need more help with? Getting them out of the packet. There we go, we're in. So there are some instructions on the back of these. You've also got the double-ended glue as well. How do you use this? Because there is no reference to this glue on that packet of lashes. Oh my god, it's so tiny I can barely see. We're just gonna have to wing it, peeps. I've never used a method like this before to put lashes on. I've always done it the old-fashioned way where you dip a bit of the glue onto your lashes, wait, fan them around and then stick them on your eyes. This is like a whole different ball game for me. I'm hoping that it's as simple as it sounds. I'm gonna do this eye first, just doing one at a time in case this glue like sets. The tiniest wand I think I've ever seen for a product in my life. So just brushing this glue onto my lashes. I can't tell if this glue has any colour to it or if it's just my lashes kind of clumping together. In my opinion, I think it does have a slight colour to it. God, this is really sticky. It's like trying to stick my bottom lashes to my top. I'm going to take one of the 14mm lashes and pop it. Come on. Okay, that's stuck then. We're just going to go with that. That is well and truly stuck to my eyes. They say then to squeeze. God, that's really stuck, guys. So my next cluster, I'm going to do a 12mm. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, let's try again. Okay, they're on. So they're on. However, there is a slight gap, which I'm going to fill with just another cluster of lashes. I feel like I'm struggling a little bit because these tweezers have got some of the glue on it and I think that's what's making it stick. Don't get me wrong, this is proving to be a bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be, but these lash clusters are absolutely beautiful. Okay, right, try and fill the gap. Are we in? Oh my god, we're in! Yes, man. Okay, so I think I'm going to do one more to fill this gap here, and then I'm going to seal it. I'm now going to use a 10mm cluster there, and then I'm going to fill in this gap. Right, you ready? Oh yeah, first time's a charm. Now using the sealant, I'm going to seal these bad boys in. Okay, I'm not going to lie, the last one that I put on it is not as secure as one would hope. Doesn't mean it isn't. I'm quite impressed with that, you know. That was pretty easy. My camera says I've been filming for just over 15 minutes, and most of that was probably me like unboxing it and chatting to you, maybe a bit too much. But that was really quick, and it wasn't too difficult. And my lashes look relatively okay. I think maybe next time I need to make sure that I try and space them out a bit better. But that was pretty easy. I'm quite impressed. So I'll just show you an up close of what my lashes look like right now. One side without the lashes and one side with. As you can see, it makes a massive difference with just like minimal effort. That was pretty easy in comparison to what I normally have to deal with, which is why I don't usually bother with lashes. Underneath my lashes, when I like lift them up like this, I'll show you a clip now, they don't look too scary. You can definitely see where I kind of just press them on and hope for the best with the last cluster of lashes that I put on, but other than that, like, it looks pretty smooth. It's also not that noticeable that I'm wearing fake lashes. Like, they just look really natural. These clusters are absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna try now and put the other side on. Hopefully it goes as well as the first time. Also as well, after applying the layer of that sealant, my lashes don't feel like they're trying to stick my eyes closed at all. I just need to remember what I use. So 114, 2 12s, and then 110. I think what might help is trying to just put the glue on the base and like lower part of my lashes rather than all of it. Cluster number 1, 14mm to the outside. Come on, come on. No, okay. No. I don't know why it's harder the second time. I know what I'm doing and I know it works. Cluster number 1 on and secured. Next cluster. Go on, go on. Nope. Okay. Well, that didn't work. Yes! Oh yeah. Second set of number 12 cluster. Let's go, baby. Nope. Nope. Yes. Pressing down. Looking good. Last one, 10mm. Let's go. I want a home run. Bit of a funny angle. I mean, it's on, but I'm not happy with the placement of it. Let's just put a bit more in the base. No, now my eyelash is stuck to my eyelid. Well, it's on, but there's now the problem that my lashes are sticking together there. I don't know why that was so difficult towards the end, but it's just a process. And now I'm putting the sealant on my lashes. Okay, so lashes are on, and I have to say I'm relatively impressed with how easy that was. Obviously we did have a couple of lumps and bumps in the road to getting these on, but no way near as stressful as when I tried to apply full strip lashes. I think the idea of placing them where you want them to go, as well as piece by piece, makes it so easy to customise your lashes, as well as just put them on full stop. The glue is very, very sticky to the point where when you pull the lashes, there is no way these bad boys are coming off. As well, the individual tray chic lash does not have a proper lash band on it that you can see. When you apply them properly, you can't see whatsoever. They're absolutely undetectable, which I think is amazing. Obviously the inside lashes for me didn't go so well, so you can see them a bit more than you can with the other ones. Also, they have loads of different options for individual lashes as well. You can also buy them in a big pack too if you are a avid lash wearer. Buying the individual packs of lashes rather than in a kit also is relatively inexpensive. I think they're between £8 and £10 on the Tatti Lashes website, which I think is pretty good considering that I feel, in my opinion, these are quite premium. I think maybe if you're starting out and haven't used something like that before, getting the kit is good because you get all three. You get the glue, you get the lashes, you get the applicator. As somebody that really struggles with lashes, that was relatively easy. For the price of what you get in that set, I think it's pretty well priced. You know, it's not super high and it's not super low. You also don't need a lot of the glue and the sealant either, so this will last you probably quite a long time. All in all, I would say my experience is positive. I will be using these for my sister's wedding now that I know that I can do it and it works. Maybe now that I've actually tried it, it might go a little bit better the second time. But anyway guys, that was my thoughts on the Tatti Lashes Tragique individual clusters. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know. I'll leave all the links to everything I've shown you in the description in case you want to check it out for yourself. Also, whilst you're down there, you may as well follow me on my socials. I've got an Instagram, a Twitter and a TikTok. Also, if you haven't already for some bizarre reason, you need to subscribe to this channel because otherwise you're going to miss out and we don't want that to happen, do we? Anyway, I won't keep you. Thank you again so much for checking out this video. I hope you have a lush rest of your day and I will see you next time for another one. Bye guys.